Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to make a program which checks that a word is palindrome or not. So palindrome word is a word which sound exactly from the backward and forward. Means a word can be wow. It is same as if you read it from backward or forward. Other examples are over here. So okay, to make a program which check that a word is random or not, let's first think how can we make it. We can do it by reversing the variable and comparing the both. If they are same, the word is palindrome. So let's make it. So let's make a character char, and it is going to store the word, and let's say 50, and then we are going to print a small prompt, enter the word, check whether okay, scanf %s, and now we are going to take the input from the user word and then go. So we have make a small prompt or interface where the user will enter the word. Now let's go and let's check that it is or not. So to reverse a word, we need to have the function str upper, and it is available in string.h. So I need to include it also, string.h. Okay, now once I have the word, I am going to make a new variable which is going to store the reverse of the word, and let's say it's going to be reverse word and 50, and let's it is going to store, and let's first store the word in the reverse word. We're going to use stack m and word. The word will be stored in the reverse word, and now we are going to reverse it. So it is str, I think strrev. So strrev, and if the reverse word and the word are equal, it is going to print that the word is palindrome. Of and if sorry, compare a word that it is palindrome or not, need to use a function stack m, which is string compare and word. If the both are exactly the same, it is going to return 0. If not, it is going to return anything other than 0. If they are 0, print yes, the percent less percent s is in word, else print. Let's do printf. Now the word is now random. So we have made one example. Let's check it out. It is, I think, okay. So let's check the word. Let's type wow. No, why is not a palindrome? Why on the earth it says Oh, I use track and I have to use copy. Yes, yes. Now I think it will work. Yes, wow, is a palindrome. Let's check some other words from this website. They provide us a list of palindrome word. No. Oh, so we have a bug in the program that it does not uh, may catch the capitalized word. It is case sensitive in small words. So to make our program not case sensitive, we can do one thing. We are going to capitalize strupr. Yes, word. Now it is going to not be, and when we run it, oh, we didn't run it, and let's check it out. Yes, car race is a palindrome. Wow. So this was a cool program which checks the word is palindrome or not. So hope you like it and understand this concept. So bye for now. Let's wait for another video.